Hey folks, it's GV Loan Guy. This is the new format for my videos. I'm trying to do my best to stay out of trouble. Anyway, this particular story is about the bullet purchase, the ammo purchase that the Homeland Security Department is making of 450 million 40 caliber special Death Star bullets. Let me just play a little bit of this for you here. This is some crazy stuff. These bullets are hollow points, and this is what happens to them when they shoot straight into water. So they can compare all of them equally the same. Look at that one that he's got in his hands. Wow. Previously, this was the most deadly, I guess you could call it, the Black Talon Death Star, 6-pointed stars. But look at this new one now. Look at that one. That will just tear you apart. Now, why would Homeland Security need to order 450 million of these things for their 50,000 plus armed officers? What's this all about, folks? I mean, this is right here going on right now. I don't know. It's going to be tough for you to convince yourself that there's nothing going on. It's pretty hardcore. Anyway, that's it. Just something to think about. I'll post the link for this whole thing below.